What is up? So I wanted to make this video, first of the videos, the series of videos, is to kind of warn people about some of the knockoff and cheap Chinese like things you can get off the internet. So for instance, I ordered this, which is a power supply. It's an IDE power supply, but you can get these little connectors and hook, you know, SATA drives to them, power SATA drives, which is pretty cool. And I got a couple of these, which are little IDE. They have a SATA connector, and then they hook to USB, so that you can hook old drives to it and basically hook them to your computer. But I ordered this, and luckily I use these old drives as test drives. This is an 80 gig drive. So I plugged this in, and the light came on. I ordered two of these, by the way, and the other one actually works pretty good. But that's why you have to test these things. I plugged this in and didn't let it sit for a minute. I just plugged it in, and then I plugged it directly into the drive. So I heard the drive kind of spin up, and then I heard a pop. And I noticed that the power brick on the board had burnt, and the hard drive started smoking, along with the light turning off here and another pop coming from inside here, which was the cap that blew. I didn't have to take it apart. I know that's what it is. Cheap components in here. So the regulator went out and the cap blew, and it fried the hard drive. Which this is just a small junk drive, and it's just for me to do testing anyway, so it's not really important. But it just goes to show, if you're going to buy stuff like this, like these little cheap components, basically test them first on garbage stuff so that you don't lose valuable hard drives. Luckily this is a piece of junk, and it's, you know, nothing to worry about, because I have some terabyte drives that are old IDE drives that I've had for a while that I've just held on to because they're useful for different projects. But yeah, so I wanted to put that warning out there, and the next video will probably be me showing you what I'm doing with all this garbage. But yeah, so just little projects. I thought I would put that out there though, so if you buy stuff off the internet, especially cheap stuff, you may burn up things. So definitely always test stuff beforehand. Take it easy.